This topic came back up. Experience teaches wisdom, right? As much as we all love predictive maintenance. I can predict at least six conditions under which it fails to meet the hype in implementation TBT. Now you know, and knowing is the half battle. I have spent more than 2 decades working on the white elephant predictive maintenance use case. In its various forms and evolution of development, yes, this predates it, becoming the ultimate buzzword and go to use case of the Industry 4 era. As such, I have observed and overseen many successful deployments of the use case, but I have also experienced just as many, if not more, times when it failed to meet the hype. The failures generally fall in one of the following six archetypes. Number one, ignoring physics of failure. Unsupervised techniques are great, but should not fully discount knowledge of how assets fail. Not all failures are predictable. For example, only 11 to 13% of failures that occur on a compressor is predictable by vibration spectral anomalies. Inflation of terminology. Traditional univariate technology and big data multivariate approaches are not one and the same. Confusing the two means confusing everybody. Snake oil can be expensive. Lipstick on a pig fallacy. Slapping a predictive maintenance technology on a program lacking the basis of assets health management such as autonomous maintenance, workflow management, criticality assessment, and RCM based program development. Speaking of RCM, putting predictive maintenance on a failure mode that could be addressed more economically by a time based or condition based maintenance scheme. Failure to understand where value comes from. Every investment requires justification. Will value come from maintenance, expense reduction, or throughput improvement? Will there be any measurable impact on energy or yield? Aside, unless you are getting significant value from capacity improvement, multivariate predictive maintenance is often not worth the hassle. All or nothing expectations. Condition monitoring and anomaly detection using unsupervised ML techniques are not predictive maintenance but provide considerable value along the way and should be as emphasized. Model underperformance against requirements, having predictions that don't provide enough lead time for effective action. TCO of the models should factor the cost of false positive into tuning decision making. Being forewarned is being forearmed.